Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant. It is a naturally made but critical component of your own body's repertoire of defending itself. Oxidative damage occurs out of necessity. We're oxygen breathing and oxygen utilizing creatures. One of the byproducts of our natural process is to create substances called reactive oxygen species. You may have heard a couple of these. Singlet oxygen is one, peroxide is another. So as we use oxygen from our environment to make ATP in the cells, there's some leakage of damaging materials. We've mentioned a couple of them. Your body's defense mechanism is to create antioxidants, upregulate enzymes that will make these antioxidants to combat those effects. Glutathione is one of these. We use it chiefly now as an adjunct to metabolizing or getting rid of various toxins in our environment. Two very well understood and known ones would be things like herbicides and pesticides. Surprisingly enough, alcohol is actually in that category as well. So you use glutathione to help eliminate waste products or damaging byproducts of other chemicals that may be introduced to your body. As you exhaust your glutathione, you either have to make more of it or you can introduce it into your body. Three ways of introducing glutathione into your body are as a intramuscular injection. The downside about an intramuscular injection or IM is you can only really deliver smaller volumes. Otherwise you create big lumps in the muscle itself. The other way of introducing it is through the vein as what we call a slow IV push. What that means is there's a certain extra volume of things like normal saline or lactated ringers. They're used to dilute the glutathione as it goes into the vein. The third way of introducing it, larger volumes, substantially larger as a matter of fact, are through IV infusions. These we have found to be a very reliable and consistent way of introducing anywhere from 10 to 20 cc's of an average glutathione formulation into the vein at a single sitting. There's a number of benefits to an IV infusion of glutathione, particularly if you've had a drink or two too many. The excess alcohol and its breakdown products are causing all your symptoms. IV glutathione infusions provide you with the raw materials to get rid of those, either the alcohol or the breakdown products, making you feel a lot better, a lot faster. Here's some of the other benefits that you can derive from an IV infusion of glutathione. In larger doses, glutathione over time builds up the basement membrane, so your skin starts to achieve a more youthful appearance with fewer fine lines and wrinkles. Another one is it can lighten the skin over time. The third thing is it can start to combat the toxic effects of modern living. Arguably, it is an anti-aging molecule because it's protecting the cells from the damage that life throws at us. If any of these indications resonates with you and you'd like to try the IV glutathione injection or infusion for yourself, I'd encourage you to schedule an appointment and visit our website, lvlongevitylab.com, here in fabulous Las Vegas. Hoping to see you soon.